Today is very special day for me because I finally got my first drone. After thinking of long time, I decided to buy the DJI Air 3s. Unboxing it felt like opening a new chapter in my creative journey. The design, the build quality, and the way it feels in hands. It's already gave me a confidence before even taking the first flight. This is more than just a gadget for me. It's about capturing new perspective, telling stories from the sky, and exploring the world in a way I never could before. When I powered it on for the very first time, it could feel the excitement buildings. The lights, the sound of the propeller spinning, it was like the start of an adventure. And then liftoff. Watching my drone rise into the air for the very first time was a magical moment. I was nervous but also amazed. The stability, the smoothness, it felt like the sky had just opened up for me. Flying the DJI Air 3s gave me a completely new point of view. I could finally see familiar places from above, streets, building, landscapes. They all looked so different, so cinematic. The drone is not just about flying. It's about creativity, about capturing memories, about pushing the myself to learn new skills. I know this is only the beginning. With every flight, I will get better, and with every video, I will tell new stories. So here is it, my very first flight, with my very first drone, the DJI Air 3s. A small step for me, but a big leap into the world for the aerial filming. Thanks for joining me on this journey. This is just the start, and I can't wait to share more with you from the skies. Thank you.